Hey, what's up guys, it's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where I do tech reviews fast. And normally on the channel, I do kind of high tech reviews, some smart home stuff, maybe some camera equipment, some stuff dealing with higher technology items. This week, I'm gonna look at a low tech product that you can use with some of your tech accessories. And that is the Electronics Travel Organizer from BUBM, or Be Unique by myself. So if you're thinking like me, you probably have a lot of accessories that go with your laptops, your tablets, your smartphones. You may have speakers. There's a lot of different things that you can travel with. Traveling with all those accessories and different equipment can kind of be challenging, especially if you use more than one bag like I do. For me, I found what I think is a really great solution to this problem, which is the Electronics Travel Organizer from BUBM. A couple of the great features from this travel organizer is the fact that it does have padded dividers that allow you to configure the bottom compartment to fit whatever devices that you want to fit in it snugly and make sure that they're all protected. There's also a thinner compartment on the top that allows you to store cables or maybe some other smaller, thinner devices that you can zip into the pockets. For me, I usually store cables, maybe stepper rings for my camera or filters for the lenses. I might store flash cards or maybe even an actual solid state hard drive in there. There's plenty of space. In that bottom compartment, there's also a Velcro flap that you could use to fit like a 9.7-inch iPad, or for me, I usually use that to store my Viltrox light. On the outside of the organizer, there's some really nice high quality zippers, as well as a full nylon enclosure that's going to help it be water resistant. For me, I'm pretty much able to store most all of my camera gear, so if I want to go out and do a photo shoot or shoot video in some other location, I can throw all my camera gear in there, as well as some additional lights, my microphone, as well as battery packs, my SSD, any filters I might need. I can store almost anything that I need to travel with in this one organizer and then throw it into my backpack and go. One of the things I love about this organizer is the fact that I do use probably about 4 or 5 different bags and backpacks. I can store everything inside the BUBM Travel Organizer and then just pull it out of my bag, throw it into the next one, and I'm good to go. I don't have to dig through all of my pockets trying to find everything and then reorganize it into a different bag. So if you're looking for a really nice way to be able to keep all of your accessories and cables in one place and be able to move that from bag to bag, I can't really recommend anything more than the BUBM Travel Electronics Organizer. Thanks for watching.